For this lesson, I'd like to show you how to play some harmonics. These are a great way to add different textures to your sound, and you'll hear them being used in all kinds of music. I'm going to start with natural harmonics. This is where we touch the string lightly without actually pressing it to the neck with our fretting hand and pluck the string as normal. The reason that these are natural harmonics is that they are all played using an open string and therefore occur naturally on the guitar. As you can see and hear, there are many places along the string where you can achieve this. Let's try this using the bottom E string. At this point, I'd like to explain that in tab, a natural harmonic at the 5th fret would usually be shown like this. The strongest sounding harmonics would be at fret number 12, 9, 7, 5, and 4. You'll find that this is easier to achieve if you use a sharp or more piercing tone by plucking the string near the bridge, and also by using the pickup nearest to the bridge if you have one. Also, make sure that you are touching the string right above the fret. Exercise 1. As you can hear, each of these harmonics still has a recognizable pitch and therefore can be named as a particular note. Along the bottom E string we have 12th fret, octave note of E, 9th fret, note of G sharp or major third of E, 2 octaves up, 7th fret, note of B or 5th of E major, 1 octave up, 5th fret, note of E, 2 octaves up from the open string, 4th fret, note of G sharp or major third of E, 2 octaves up, which is the same as on the 9th fret. Now for the science bit. The reason that these notes are where they are is that we're creating various overtones at specific points by dividing the length of the string. For instance, the 12th fret is exactly halfway between the nut and the bridge. So if we play an harmonic here, this will in effect half the length of the string, which doubles the speed of the string vibration or frequency and gives us a note 1 octave higher than the original open string. This is the same for other frets. At the 7th fret it is exactly 1/3 of the string length. At the 5th fret it is 1/4 of the length, etc. Don't worry if you don't fully understand the science of this just yet. In time it will become clear to you. For now, let's get back to playing. As we've already discovered, each harmonic can be named. Let's do this for each string. On the bottom E we have 12th fret, E, 9th, G sharp, 7th, B, 5th, E, 4th, G sharp. On exercise 2, for the A string we have 12th fret, A, 9th fret, C sharp, 7th, E, 5th, A, 4th, C sharp. Onto the D string. 12th fret, D, 9th, F sharp, 7th, A, 5th, D, and 4th, F sharp. On the G string, at the 12th fret, we have G, 9th fret, B, 7th, D, 5th, G, and 4th, B. Onto the B string, 12th, B, 9th, D sharp, 7th, F sharp, 5th, B, and at the 4th fret, D sharp. The top E string would be the same as the bottom E. The reason I'm explaining where all these different notes happen is that, just like normal fretted notes, they belong to and can be used in various keys, so we can use them to create melodic ideas. Let's try an exercise containing a lot of the harmonic notes from the G major or E minor scale. Exercise 6. Please feel free to experiment as much as you like and see what you can come up with. Now, of course, we can use more than one harmonic note at a time to create harmonic chords. For instance, if we play an open G chord, you'll see that we use 3 open strings, or the notes of D, G, and B. As this is a triad of G major, it follows that if we play the 12th fret harmonics on these 3 strings using one finger of our fretting hand, then we'll be playing a G major chord, an octave higher than the open strings. Exercise 7. We could also play these notes as an arpeggio. Exercise 8. If we do the same thing at the 7th fret, we have a D major chord. Exercise 9. And at the 4th, we have B major. Exercise 10. This time we'll play the top 3 strings to make an E minor chord at the 12th fret. Exercise 11. And a B minor chord at the 7th. Exercise 12. I hope that you'll have lots of fun using these harmonics and will start to recognize when you hear them in your favorite guitarist playing. In the next lesson, we'll be looking at some other ways to create harmonics. Bye for now.